It's time for the Beefcake upgrade for your GBA SP. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in today's video we are going to make our Game Boy SP Beefcake with this 5-in-1 super handy amplifier. Today's video I just wanted to do something totally different, and the question is, what are we going to get? It is a very old piece of hardware, but nevertheless I just wanted to do this unboxing together with you because I was very curious, and of course it comes in this horrible blister packaging. But nevertheless, it won't spoil the fun. Let's unpack it and let's see what we're going to get. Alright, so let's see what are we going to get with this. I'm going to rip in here, my friends. Okay, so here's a little cardboard. Some information, nothing much. Is there a manual, people? Nope, there is absolutely nothing on it. So let's see, the packaging has been colored different. Oh, this is really horrible. Oh, so they're calling it a 5-in-1. So let's see if I can unpack it. Alright, so let's take a look. What are we going to get? So we're having here the two little speakers that will give us the better sound. You can see they can move. They can move in different directions. We're having here the on-off. We're having the connections because I think we need to put this thing inside the bracket itself. Okay, first of all, let's check the headphones. Oh man, we're having these very cheap headphones. Get the tape over my hand. Now I'm going to try these. So it's in 5-in-1, so I'm guessing this is 1, this is 2, the handle is 3. What is the other one? No idea, to be honest. So I'm guessing it will get the juice from the system itself. Let's see if I can put it in. I think it needs to click in like this. I'm using the original GBA SP, otherwise I think it will not fit. Okay, you can see that we're having still the possibility to connect our original link cable and other stuff. But here you can see at the side we're having a way to reach our on and off and volume. And as you can see, it powers on and the LED goes on. Oh yeah. That sound is pretty awful. Oh man, this is not good. And one speaker is not even working. Oh, now it is, wait. Yeah. It is working, cool. The sound is better than the original little speaker, but okay, both the speakers are working now. Oh, this is pretty bad. So I was wondering, can I use this little Beefcake amplifier for my fake Game Boy? So that's something we're going to try out. Let's see. For the people who didn't see the review, you can always check it on the channel. I did a separate review about this fake Game Boy SP, or called the Game Box. So as you can see, it have both connectors, so I'm guessing you can put it in here. Again, let's see if it does even want to fit in. Why do I get this idea that the connections are on a different position? Because it doesn't fit. As you can see over here. No, it doesn't fit at all. I tried to... Wait. Alright, so I managed to fit the fake version on. Let's open it up. So as you can see that we can remove the little speakers. Didn't show you before, but I'm showing you now. Alright, let's power it on. And this is the moment I realized I totally messed up. Alright, so it seems to be working on the game box. But I don't know why, but it sounds pretty horrible. But what I do like, oh, for God's sake, please. But what I do like about this little handle, it gives indeed way more grip, and that is something that is very nice. And funny thing is, I cannot even adjust the volume. I can still reach the shoulder buttons if needed. Oh, here we go! Indeed, man, this work like shit. Alright, so let's try to play a little bit more. It works way better with the official Game Boy, and I'm surprised. So guys, there you have it, the Beefcake version for your Game Boy SP. And I must say that this construction, it's just a piece of plastic that gives us the option for better sound and a little bit better grip. The grip itself, I really like it. You can still reach the shoulder buttons. So that is something that I really like about it. The sound is pretty awful and it is really low quality. So this is a thing worth picking up if you find it. It's all up to you. But you can make your Game Boy SP Beefcake. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and see you in the next video.